Hello my dear students, welcome back again. I am Miss Samira Baba from Taqarib International School. Today inshallah we are gonna explain our reading lesson from unit 16. The title for this unit is Life Will Be Different. Okay, so please open your action pack book at page 64 to explain our reading lesson. So let's start. Okay, now I will ask you to describe the weather. Okay, first, can you describe the weather today? Yes. Okay, we will say today it is sunny. Yeah, excellent. Okay, my question is, what about tomorrow? Yes. Okay, we can say tomorrow I think it will be cloudy. Yeah. Or tomorrow I think it will be rainy. Okay, it will be sunny. Yes, when we talk about something will happen in the future, we will use it will be. It will. Okay, so we will use will to talk about some will plus verb one when we to talk about future. Okay, so when we talk about something, actions will happen in the future, we will use will plus verb one, like this sentence, it will be rainy. Okay, yes. Or we can say tomorrow I think it will be hot or it will be sunny. Yes. Okay, now the title of our lesson, which is Life Will Be Different. So in this unit we will talk about future, something, actions will happen in the future. My question for you, do you think your town or do you think your city will be the same or different in 2114? Okay, so please answer this question and tell me. Okay, about your opinion. Do you think your town, your city will be the same or different in 2114? Okay, now let's explain the first picture in our lesson. Okay, now I will ask you a question. Look at this picture. Can you tell me what can you see in this picture? Yes, there is a family. We can see skyscrapers. Yeah. Okay, and they are talking about future. Okay, yes, I think that life will be different in 100 years. So Samira said, I think that life will be different in 100 years. I think that more people will live in Amman. Layla, I think that everyone will live in skyscrapers. Okay, so in this picture we can see skyscrapers. Who can tell me what does it mean? Yes, it's a small building or it's a tall building. Yes, it's a tall building. Excellent. So skyscraper, it's a tall building. Yes. Okay, so Samira thinks life will be different in 100 years. Okay, and people will live in Amman, but Layla thinks everyone will live in skyscrapers. Okay, my question for you, does Samira think life will be the same or the different in 100 years? The same or the different in 100 years? Yes, she thinks it will be the same. No, it will be different. Okay, the second question, what does she say about people? What does she say? Yes, she thinks that more people will live in Amman. So they will live in Amman. Okay, will some people live in skyscrapers or will everyone live in skyscrapers? Yes, everyone will live in skyscrapers. Yes, good job. Yes. Okay, now again, So she thinks that life will be different in 100 years and people will live in Amman. Layla thinks everyone will live in skyscrapers, and we said skyscrapers, which means or skyscraper, a very tall building. Yeah, very tall buildings. Okay, now let's explain the second picture. Yes, look at this picture. What can you see in this picture? Yes, robots. Excellent, good job. So, robots. Yes. Okay. Samira, I think that robots will help at home. So, robots will help at home. And she thinks that they will prepare meals and wash cars. Layla, I think that scientists will invent roads in the sky for flying cars. Yes. Okay, my question for you. Yes, what will help at home? What will help at home? Yes, what is the answer? Okay, good job. Robots. Okay, so robots will help at home. The second question. What will people prepare meals and wash cars? People? Will people? No. Excellent. No, robots will prepare meal and wash cars. Okay, the third question is, can cars fly on roads in the sky now? Now? No, they can't. Okay, does Layla think scientists will invent them? Yes, she thinks they will. Okay. Do scientists often invent things? Okay, yes, they do. Okay, my question for you, scientist. What does it mean? What does this word mean? Yes, someone who works in science. Excellent. So, someone who works in science, which means scientist. Okay, now let's explain the third picture. Okay, so okay, Ali, I think that there will be more astronauts. I think that astronauts will discover new planets. Okay, I think that children will have school trips in the moon. So Kareem thinks that children will have school trips to the moon. Okay, astronauts. What does it mean? Yes, someone who travels in a spacecraft. Yes, excellent, in a spacecraft. Okay, now let's explain the last picture. Kareem, I think that I will be an architect when I grow up. I think that I will design skyscrapers. Ali, I think that I will be an astronaut. I will discover a new planet. Okay, so Kareem, he thinks that he will be an architect. Yes, what does it mean, architect? Yes, someone whose job is to design building. Excellent. Okay, and Ali, he thinks that he will be an astronaut. Why? Okay, because he wants to discover a new planet. Okay, now my question for you. Tell me, what do you want to be when you grow up? Okay, so again, what do you want to be when you grow up? Yes, good job. This is our lesson for today. Thank you for listening.